What is up, y'all? It's CJ Moto and I'm back. I got the DJI Mavic Air 2, so we're gonna try to get some good video recording it because it actually has active track. I had the Mavic Mini and the Mavic Mini just did not live up to my expectations. It can't do active track. I would not recommend the Mavic Mini, but the Mavic Air 2 sounds really promising. I took a video already and it turned out really good, so we will go ahead and see what happens. Let's see what this thing can do up here at the park. The weather looks like it could rain over here or it could be beautiful over here, so we're just going to see what the wind direction does, but nonetheless it should be some real good footage for the drone. So let's get over here and have some fun. So there's our Mavic Air 2. Like I said, I would not recommend the Mini, but this thing is sweet. It's got sensors on the bottom, it's got sensors on the back, sensors in the front. It's got a dang awesome 48 megapixel camera. So yeah, let's go try out some active tracking with this thing and see what else we can do with it. Super beautiful. Let's try the auto takeoff. Oh, okay, there we go. Just let it go. Cool. Can you auto land it? We're doing some active track with the DJI Mavic Air 2, and this thing is just sweet. I actually did own the Air 1, and I never really used this feature, but I think it's been vastly improved upon nonetheless. I really enjoyed it. We're following the Sur-On X. Check out my other Sur-On X e-bike related videos. They're just awesome. But yeah, we're just popping some wheelies and checking out how this thing follows me. Check out them green grips, dog. Can't miss them. Man, this thing's just going to be a blast. I can't wait to use it for all my videos. It's going to be exciting. Be able to get so many cool little points of view. And it'll be good for thumbnails and then just good for other stuff too. I really appreciate you guys taking the time to watch my content. Please, please, please check out my other great videos. Check out my other Sur-On related content. And if you go way back, I have more drone content. Please like the video, share and subscribe it, and throw it on a forum or something. I really appreciate it. I appreciate the support. Yeah, we had an awesome video, folks. That thing works great. The active track did fabulous. It's super duper windy out. Now we did the auto return to home function, so we're gonna go ahead and land it right where we took off from just about. And there she is, baby. About 15 miles an hour of wind. Hopefully we got some cool footage you guys can check out with that active track. DJI Mavic Air 2. I would definitely suggest this drone so far. Awesome, and the controller's sweet. And it charges your phone while you're flying it, which is perfect. CJ Moto out.